In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a cookie consent notification on your Wix site using the Wix editor or Wix Studio in Chrome. This is an essential step for ensuring that your website complies with data protection regulations like GDPR and CCPA and helps build trust with your site visitors by making them aware of how their data might be used. Let's kick things off by opening your Wix editor or Wix Studio in Chrome. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that the editor is fully loaded, showing all your site elements ready to be customized. Now that you're in, we will head to the Wix App Market. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see a variety of options. Select the one labeled App Market. This is where you can browse through a plethora of add-ons designed to enhance the functionality of your website. Once you're in the Wix App Market, type cookie consent into the search bar at the top. You'll be greeted with several options for cookie consent apps or pop-ups. Look through the selection and choose the one that best fits your site's needs. After choosing your desired app, simply click Add to Site to integrate it with your website. This will automatically redirect you back to the editor with your new app ready to be customized. With the cookie consent app added to your site, it's time to make it your own. Customize the message to ensure it reflects your brand's voice while also clearly explaining why you're asking for consent. Use this opportunity to outline what types of cookies your site uses and why. You'll also want to choose a style and color scheme that complements your existing site design, helping to keep a cohesive look. Pay attention to the buttons as well. Offer options like Accept or Manage settings to give visitors control over their experience. Next, configure the compliance settings according to your region-specific legal requirements. This step is crucial for ensuring compliance with data protection laws such as the GDPR if your site serves European users or the CCPA if you're dealing with Californian visitors. Look for the settings menu within your cookie consent app where you'll be able to configure these regional preferences. Take your time here, as staying compliant is not just about following the law, but also offering transparency and building trust with your audience. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the customizations and settings, don't forget to save your changes. Verify everything is in order by previewing your site in the editor. Test the cookie consent pop-up to see how it appears to your visitors. Once you're sure everything looks good, it's time to hit that publish button to make your changes live. And just like that, you've successfully added a cookie consent notification to your Wix site.